with them unto to Nazareth, and was subject to them, but his mother kept these things at heart. Verse 52, and Jesus grew in wisdom and in stature and had favor. He grew. Process. It's not one day. God will take you one step after the other. The law of process. You don't make a millionaire in one day. No. In the 70s and in the 80s, Donald Trump was working for his father's company. The first $1 million deal for his father's company was one who clinched it. When he made that 1 million for them, he resigned and went to start his own. Today he's one of the richest in the world. That's one person that if he's president of the United States, this war of Russia and Ukraine, I believe he can end. Because if Putin will not listen to him as a president, he will listen to him as a businessman. That's why he keeps saying it, that he knows what to tell Putin to bring the war. And you know, God gave me a prophecy about Donald Trump. I'm not his friend. But last week I saw, the day we had breakfast prayer, I had a vision, and God told me that the next trial that he's going for, God will confound his adversaries and he will win.
We are following breaking news. The Supreme Court has ruled in a 6-3 decision that a president has absolute immunity against prosecution for official acts, but they are not immune from prosecution for unofficial acts.
Who is winning the U.S. presidential election? It's hard to say with certainty, but increasingly, Donald Trump's chances are looking better. His opponent, Joe Biden, looks increasingly weak after fumbling his way through a presidential debate. There's talk of Democrats looking to replace him, which would clear the path for Trump. But his biggest hurdle were his legal battles. Trump faces 91 criminal charges in 4 cases, and now he may get some relief on that front too. Thanks to the U.S. Supreme Court, it delivered a judgment yesterday, a judgment on the powers of the president. And it seems that one of those powers is immunity. Not for everything, but immunity for any official act they conduct. This is what the U.S. Supreme Court said, that a president's unofficial or private acts can be prosecuted, but not his or her official acts. So it's not total immunity, it's partial, and yet it helps Donald Trump. He's calling it a big win. This is what he posted on his social media platform, Truth Social. It said, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy, proud to be an American."
I just said it. Write it down. It will happen. God said he will be exonerated miraculously. I don't know what God is in. I don't know why God is interested in him. I don't know. I don't care. I don't know him. And do you realize that next year is election in America? Is it next year or this year? Stand on your feet. Look at me as we round up tonight.